Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a very cute turtle. Here I'm drawing a very cute baby turtle. Let's follow my every steps and try to draw with me. This is very easy to draw. I complete my drawing. Now let's start to color it. Here I'm using dark green color. Color, which color do you want? I want dark green color. Now I'm using light green color. Light green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is light green color. Now I'm using yellow green color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow green color. Here I'm using light brown color. Color, which color do you want? I want light brown color. Wow, the baby turtle is looking so cute and so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs.
Wow!